In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a Word outline into a PowerPoint presentation automatically. If you usually build decks by typing into each slide one at a time, you know how slow that can be. Clicking into text boxes, stopping to add a new slide, and repeating the process for dozens of slides adds up fast. Instead, you can write your content once in Microsoft Word, convert it into a clean outline, and let PowerPoint build the slides for you. Here's how I set it up in Word. The trick is to use styles, so PowerPoint knows what becomes a slide title and what becomes bullet points. Any text formatted as heading 1 becomes a slide title. Heading 2 and below turn into bullets on that slide. I start by pressing Ctrl+A to select all the text. Then I apply heading 2 so everything becomes a bullet by default. You can do this from the Home tab where styles are shown. Next, I pick the lines that should be slide titles. While holding the Ctrl key, I click each title line to select them, then change them all to heading 1 at once. This gives you a clean structure without retyping anything. To double check the structure, I switch to Outline View in Word. This view makes it obvious which lines are titles and which are bullets, and it mirrors how PowerPoint will interpret the document. When it looks right, I save the file in an easy-to-find location with a clear name, like Outline. One important note: make sure Word is completely closed before importing the file into PowerPoint, or the import may not work as expected. Now in PowerPoint, I start by deleting any existing slides, so I'm working with a blank deck. Then I click the New Slide dropdown, scroll to the bottom, and choose Slides from Outline. I browse to the Word file I just saved, select it, and click Insert. PowerPoint automatically creates a new slide for every heading 1 with all heading 2 text added as bullet points under those titles. You might see a bit of formatting from Word carryover, but that's easy to clean up. I click a slide thumbnail on the left, press Ctrl+A to select all slides, and click Reset on the Home tab. This reapplies the current layout and theme. I also switch the first slide to the title slide layout and pick a design theme from the Design tab to give everything a cohesive look. And that's it. An entire presentation built from a Word document in just a few steps. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips. Thanks for watching.